Today, one of the interesting concept we discuss, one of the important branch in mathematics, that is geometry. So today I'm going to discuss introduction part of geometry. So what is the geometry? So how to use geometry? Who is the father of geometry? We'll discuss now. So geometry is composed of two ancient Greek words, geo and metron. Geo means earth, metron means measurement. So earth measurements, you use the system geometry. So geometry is the one of the important branch in mathematics, which deals shape, size, position and properties of different figures. So that is one of the main branches. In that main branch is developed one of the famous Greek mathematician, Euclid. Euclid is the father of geometry. One of the main important introduction parts are there, that are main thing: point, line segment, ray and angles. So and triangles, then after quadrilateral and circle. These are the main important things which we discuss in the topic. So what is the point? Point is nothing but it is a mark of position. Point is nothing but it is a mark of position is called point. So whenever you have to just keep a dot, that sharp edged dot, it occupies some space, is called a point. So what is the line? Line is nothing but it is the number of points joining these points extends to endlessly in both the directions. Okay, the one or more points, 1 2 3 4 5, these are 1 2 3 4, these points joining these all points, this is extends to endlessly in both the directions, is called line. And another one a geometrical idea, that is line segment. So what is the line segment? Line segment is also a part of line, but it has two end points. It has an initial point and it has a end point. It is a part of line, it has two end points and it has a definite length. But a line does not have the definite length, it extends endlessly in both the directions. And another one idea, that is ray. So what is the ray? Ray is also a part of line, it has one initial point, it extends to endlessly in one direction. Again I repeat these now four concepts: point, line segment, ray. So point, which is mark of position, it represents one of the particular thing position. So this is called point. Number of points joining together extend endlessly is called a line. Line segment, it is a part of line, it has a two definite length, it has an initial point, it has an end point. And ray, it extends to endlessly in one direction, it is also part of line, it has a one initial point, there is no end point, it extends to one direction only. So these are the basic geometrical ideas, and let these geometrical ideas next we discuss angles. So what is the angle? Two rays are intersect one particular point. Two rays are joining a particular point, the particular point forming an angle. So in this case, or another definition, a ray rotates the other side, here forming a angle. So these two rays are called, for example, OA, OB are two rays joining O, intersect at O. This O particular point is called the vertex of the angle, and OA, OB are rays, or arms or sides of the angle. So angles are different types of angles are there. So that is acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflect angle and complete angle. What is the acute angle? So an angle lies between more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. An angle lies between more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. An angle more than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. An angle exactly 180 degrees, it is a straight line, it is called straight angle. An angle more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees is called reflect angle. An angle exactly 360 degrees is called complete angle. These are categorized. One is right angle, straight angle, complete angle. Right angle is equal to 90 degrees, straight angle is equal to 180 degrees, and complete angle is equal to 360 degrees. Acute angle more than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. More than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. An angle lies between more than 180 less than 360 is called reflex angle.